In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Now activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Following that, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and when you're ready, click on it at the top of your keyboard. If you want to paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and click on Pin in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and use the delete button. You can also pin it and delete it by clicking on this pen at the top right corner, selecting whatever you want to from your Clipboard and operating those two options. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!